Cleaning products that can damage your tile. In recent years, tile has become a popular replacement for the dusty, dirt-trapping carpets of the past. But did you know that even tile can hold dirt and grime for years if not cleaned properly? Many commercially available cleaning products claim to remove years of built-up dirt, but they may be doing more harm than good. We've listed some products to avoid below. Use of abrasives. Any cleaning product or tool that has a gritty, abrasive texture is going to be damaging to your tile. Most ceramic tiles come with a finish that seals the surface of the tile and keeps dirt and grime from penetrating into the tile's pores. Abrasive products scratch and nick the finish, which actually makes it easier for your tile to get dirty. Bleach or ammonia-based cleaners. Some of the most commonly used tile and grout cleaners use bleach and ammonia as a base. They may seem effective at removing stains, but that's not all they're removing. Over time, these cleaners can discolor your tile and grout, stripping them of the beauty that drew you to them in the first place. These chemicals are also harsh on your hands and lungs, making them a less than ideal solution. Oil-based cleaner. Some popular soaps and cleaners are oil-based, which gives flooring a nice sheen and glow. But oil-based cleaners aren't the best choice for cleaning tile. The oils soak into your grout, attracting dirt and leaving ugly stains. To make matters worse, the oils can make your flooring slippery, creating a falling hazard for you and your family. Tile cleaner alternatives. The best way to clean your tile and grout is to make sure that your grout properly protected with an impregnating tile and grout sealer to block out dirt, grime, moisture, and more. You can also use an environmentally friendly cleaning solution and tile cleaning solutions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.